3, 2, 1. Alright, hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today, we are playing Undertale. Undertale, episode... What is this, episode 5? Oh, no. Let's see. I'll be right back, I'm gonna go check. Okay guys, welcome back for episode 5, let's go! Second time that's happened to me. Oh, I also got my drink. Got my broken controllers. Undertale Peak. Oh, is that Fisk or Child? I always forget. Oh, my chair. Undertale. Oh, my remote. We also have my remote. Ah. Hey. Okay. Okay. So, so we just fell down from Waterfall. We entered Waterfall and then we left. Okay. Partaking in the worthless garbage fills you with determination. Alright, let's go. Okay, so yeah. We came from here. Yes. Okay, yeah. Look how realistic this looks. That doesn't look realistic, by the way. But piles of garbage. There are quite a few brands you recognize. Oh wow, that's so amazing. You rest your hand on the rusted bike. Its horn wheezes a honk of despair. Oh, that was the bike. That scared me so badly. Just garbage. Oh, okay. What's this? A beat-up desktop computer. The inside is empty. Oh, it's a PC. That would be cool if it came from the human world. Garbage. Wow. Because remember, the humans and monsters used to live together. It's a cooler. It has no brand. And shows no signs of wear. Inside are a couple of freeze-dried space food bars. Take one? Yeah, sure. You got the astronaut food. Thick. A trash heap. Yeah, look, a dummy. It's a DVD case for an anime. Ooh, anime. Display claw marks all over the edges. Seems like a regular training dummy. Do you want to beat it up? Yeah. You socked the dummy. Who cares? I think the dummy can. No.
Fool! You think you can hurt me? I'm the ghost that lives inside a dummy. My cousin used to live inside a dummy too, until you came along. When you talked to them, they thought they were in for a nice chat. But the things you said? Horrible, shocking, unbelievable. Spooked them right out of their dummy. Human, I'll scare your soul out of your body.
Ooh. Ooh. Alright. Check. Mad Dummy. Attack 30. Defense, yes. Because there are ghosts, physical attacks will fail. Oh shoot.
Feeble, feeble, feeble.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I'm so locked in. I'm so locked in. Oh yeah.
Ow! You dummies! Watch where you're aiming your magic attacks.
Oh, they're magic.
Hey, you... Forget I said anything about magic.
Mad Dummy's looking nervous. Oh wait, my attacks won't work. Watch, ready?
Foolish, foolish, foolish! Even if you attack my vessel, you'll never hurt me. I'm so incorrigible, you dummy!
Oh yeah, see?
Wait, is dummy a compliment?
How would that be considered a compliment, right? Dang. Mad Dummy is doing an armless Seiki dance?
I'll defeat you and take your soul.
Oh shoot. Guys, he wants to kill me with his dummies. They're low-key kinda dumb. No, he's moving now! Mad Dummy is doing an armless Seiki dance. Sacred dance?
I'll use your soul to cross the barrier.
I'm sorry, wait, watch. No! Wait, no! Oh shoot! Oh shoot, okay. Watch me cook. Oh shoot, never mind. Mad Dummy glares into a mirror, then turns to you with the same expression.
I'll stand in the window of a fancy store.
That's so off topic. I suck at this game. Dun, 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 dun. He just says something.
Then everything I want will be mine.
Oh, they all missed. Mad Dummy's getting caught in all over the dialogue box. What?
Huh? Yeah, I guess that'll...
What? What the? No, you missed completely. Mad Dummy's getting caught in all yeah.
What was your name again?
No! I suck! Mad Dummy, yeah.
Whatever.
Oh shoot. Yes! Yes! Mad Dummy's getting... Okay, bro.
Pitiful.
Oh shoot. Oh, that all hit. All those hit him. Mad Dummy's getting caught in... Okay, bro.
Foolish.
See, I read that fast. Oh. Mad... Okay. Pitiful... Alright, bro. We already read that. No, I missed. They almost hit him, bro.
Feeble.
I keep changing my voice for him, but he's a ghost.
Hey, guys! Dummies. Remember I said not to shoot at me? Well, failures. You're fired. You're all being replaced.
Oh.
Now you see my true power. Relying on people that aren't garbage.
Mechanical words fill the room.
Dummies, bots, magic missile.
Whoa. Oh, yeah.
Dummy bots, try again.
Whoop. Yeah. Mad Dummy's bossing around its bullets.
Dummy bots, you're awful?
Oh, I'm kind of good at this.
Dummy bots, final attack.
Oh, shoot. My fault. Oh, shoot.
No, wait. These guys are even worse than the other guys. Who cares? I don't need friends.
Oh my god, he's got a knife.
I got knives.
my god!
I'm out of knives. But it doesn't matter. You can't hurt me, and I can't hurt you. You will stop fighting me. Forever. Forever. What the heck is this? Acid rain. Oh, forget it. I'm out of here. Sorry, did I interrupt you? I don't know. Sorry, I interrupted you, didn't I? As soon as I came over, your friend immediately left. Oh no, you guys look like you're having fun. Oh no, I just wanted to say hi. Oh no. No. Oh. Well, I'm going back home now. Oh, feel free to come with if you want. But no pressure. I understand if you're busy. It's fine. No worries. Just thought I'd offer. Wait, no! Wait. Thank you. Hey, my house is up here. In case you want to see. Or in case you don't. Oh. Alright, we're back in Waterfall, guys. You feel a calming tranquility. You're filled with determination. I wish we could explore all this. Oh! No, this is the duck! Remember? Okay, so we did go the right way. This little bird wants to carry you across. Accept the bird's offer. Hey. Wasn't that peak? This little bird wants to carry you across. Accept the bird's offer? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, is he Michael Jackson who's flying backwards? Thanks, bird. Let's go. You feel a common tranquil. Oh yeah. North, Block A RX. East, Hotland. Temmie Village. Is this Temmie Village? Wait, never eat. Okay. We're going to the Hotlands. What the heck? No. Not yet. There's just so much. Oh! Okay. Crap apple? Wow. That's invincible longer. Yeah. Oh. I am? Oh, dang, I am. Don't be shy now. So, I'm trying to get rid of my junk, not get more of it. Though, I've heard if you want to sell stuff, the Temmie Village is your best bet. Where is it? I don't remember. Don't be shy now. Okay, wait. I need a voice for him. Okay, yeah. Okay, so there's actually a lot we can do. How about yourself? I've been around a long time. Maybe too long. Studying history sure is easy when you live through so much of it yourself. Wahaha. You don't know what that is? What are they teaching you kids in schools nowadays? Wahaha. That's the Delta Ruin. The album of our kingdom. The kingdom of monsters. Wahaha. Great name, huh? It's as I always say. Old King of Fluffy Buns can't name for beans. The Elmum actually predates written history. The origin meaning has been lost to time. All we know is that triangles symbolize us monsters below, and the winged circle above symbols. Something else? Most people say it's the angel from the prophecy.
The prophecy.
Oh yeah, the prophecy. Legend has it, an angel who has seen the surface will descend from above and bring us freedom. Lately, the people have been talking about a bleaker outlook, calling that winged circle the angel of death, a harbinger of destruction, waiting to free us from this mortal realm. In my opinion, when I see that little circle, I just think it looks neat. King Fluffy Buns? He's a friendly, happy-go-lucky kind of guy. If you want to keep walking around long enough, you'll probably meet him. He loves to walk around and talk to people. Eh? Why do I call him Dreamer? Fluffy Buns? Oh, that's a great story. I don't remember it. But if you come back much later, I'm sure I'll have it remembered by then.
Oh, yeah, we'll come back later. About Undyne.
Undyne, yeah, she's a local hero around here. Through grit and determination alone, she fought her way to the top of the Royal Guard. Actually, she just came through here asking about someone who looked just like you. I'd watch your back, kid, and buy some items. Might just save your hide. Wahaha! Be careful out there, kid.
Thanks, bro. Thanks, old man. Use the box? Yeah. Lots of biscuits. Okay. More biscuits. Take a look. Okay. Okay. Why does Frisk look kind of fat? Hey. Alright, far left corner. Oh.
What?
Oh, what? It's a living. Okay. Doesn't seem like anyone's home. I don't like how the music just stopped. That's kind of scary. Okay.
Oh, you really came. Sorry, I wasn't expecting that. It's not much, but make yourself at home. Oh, are you hungry? I can get you something to eat. This is a ghost sandwich. Do you want to try it?
You attempt to bite into the ghost sandwich. You phase right through it.
Oh, never mind. After a great meal, I like to lie on the ground and feel like garbage. It's a family tradition. Do you want to join me?
Yes.
Okay, follow my lead.
This is I think one of the best parts in the game.
Here we go. You'll lie down as long as you don't move. So, only move around when you want to get up, I guess.
Alright, ready? A. Standing still. Yeah, but like I was saying, I think this is one of the best parts in the game. Oh look, the screen is bending. Alright, let's wait a few more seconds. Moving now. Well, that was nice. Thank you. No problem. Oh, that's my TV. There's a show I like to watch on it sometimes. Yeah. The computer's internet browser is open to a music sharing forum. Okay. It's a spider web. There's a flyer for a bake sale on it. Oh, shoot. The CD is labeled Spook Tunes. Play it? Yeah. You played the CD. I forgot, was I supposed to wait for something? This CD is labeled Spook Wave. Play it? Yeah. Oh, whoa. This CD is labeled Gallaudet Music. Play it? Yeah. Reminds me of that like old Disney cartoon shows. Oh, this one. You learned the lyrics. It's not hard to sing along. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wait, what happens if I... Yeah. Dang, that ambience. It's like my whole body being spooked. Okay. Yeah, I'll play this. Oh, classic spook tune. They don't make songs like this anymore. Oh, I'm sorry, pal. Okay. Well, nice seeing you, buddy. Love you. Mwah. Alright, bye-bye. It's stale. It's locked. Oh, wow. Huh! Awkward. I'm working right now. I mean, welcome to Brook Family Snail Farm. Yeah, I'm the only employee. This place used to get a lot of business, but our main customer disappeared one day. Now it's just some hairy guy that shows up once a month. Alright, wait, let's go check out these guys. It's a snail. For some reason, you can't help but wonder what it tastes like. What? Snail, snail. A long journey extends in front of you. Snail, snail. Reach far and stretch beyond the horizons. Snail, snail. So slay the insane blue. I've been long overdue for a second house. What? This snail is counting dollar bills. You have no shell. Do you want to play a game? It's called Thunder Snail. The snails will race. If the yellow snail wins, you win. 10G, but yeah. Okay. Press A to repeatedly to encourage a snail. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go! Ah! Go! Faster! Faster! Oh, it looks like encourages now too much. All that pressure to succeed really got to her. Oh. Oh. Can I try again? Come on, play again. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Turn you to play. Let's go. Come on. Okay. I got you. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Fast. You can't do anything else? Go. Okay, bro, really? I just wasted 20 gold. No. This game is a scam. Move out of my way, loser. Oh. Really? That's what? Okay. Let's save. Seeing how you feel. Yeah. But my thumb hurts after that, bro. I was like... Whew. Okay. Let's go. Oh, what's this way? Oh, shoot. Hurt, beaten, and fearful for our lives, we surrender to the human. Oh, wait. Hang on. Oh. Why isn't he... Okay. I need to get more gold, bro. I have 27. I'm like broke. Okay, I'm gonna read this. Hurt, beaten, and fearful, for our lives we surrender to the humans. 7 of the greatest magicians sealed us underground with a magic spell. Anything can enter through the seal, but only beings with a powerful soul can leave. There's only one way to reverse this spell. If a huge power, equivalent to 7 human souls, attack the barrier, it will be destroyed. But this cursed place has no entrance or exits. There's no way a human could come in here. We will remain trapped down here forever. Clearly not the case. Oh. Special enemy Temmie appears here to defeat you. Alright, check. Temmie, rated 10 out of 10. Oh, loves to pet cute humans, but you're allergic. Wait.
Oh god, it was too cute.
Wait, can't I like... Alright, Temmie forgot her other attack. Oh. Feed Temmie Flakes. Temmie only wants the Temmie Flakes.
No! So hungry.
Die. Temmie Flakes. Okay. Flex. You flex at Temmie.
No!
Muscles are...
Not you!
Oh, I have to disagree.
No!
Just the 2 of us, huh? No! This guy ruined my moment. Ran away with zeros. Damn, just jumped right back into the music. Oh, what the heck? Oh! I forgot about that. Okay.
Hi! Welcome to Tem Village! Hi! I'm Temmie. And this is my friend Temmie. Hi, I'm Timmy. And this is my friend, Timmy. Hi, I'm Timmy. Don't forget my friend.
Hi, I'm Bob. Oh, well, hi, Bob.
Humans, treasure, cute. Tim, what's an egg? Egg, what? Tim, proud parent. Tim heard human allergic to Tim. That's okay. Tim understand. Tim also allergic to Tim. Y'all see that, right? Tim, what egg? Okay, alright, yeah. Mushroom dance, mushroom dance, whatever it could mean. It means you lived a life of sin. Feeling of being watched. Oh, wow. Statue of Tim, very famous. Very. Yeah. I agree. So check Tim Shop. Hoi! You should check out Tim Shop.
I will. You feel something. You're filled with determination. Yeah, I am. That allergic thing scared me so badly. Rich history of Tim. No, thanks. Exclamation mark.
Hi! Welcome to the Tim Shop.
Buy Temflake on sale. Temflake expensive. Tem pay for college. 10,000. College. Tem pursue higher education.
Hi! Welcome to.
Okay, let's get the on sale.
Yeah! No! Yeah! Thanks, budget. Well, bag full.
Oh, my bag is full. Oh, okay.
Whoa! You got Astro food. I gotta have the Astro food. But I gotta pay for college. Tim always wanted Astro food.
Yeah. I hope she'll be okay. Now I feel really bad.
Hi, I'm Timmy.
Say hello.
Hi, I'm Timmy.
By yourself.
Hi, I'm Timmy.
Oh, Tim history.
Us Tims have a deep history. Yeah. Go to Tim Shop.
Bruh.
Boy.
Interesting. Use the box, yeah. Yeah, already could put these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Bye. I'll see you later, bro. Okay. Heels 2.
Boy.
Use the box, yeah. was pretty peak. You feel something. You're filled with determination. Nice. Alright. Actually, Temmie is my favorite character out of all of Undertale, by the way. Or one of my favorite characters. Alright. Let's continue our journey, though. Okay. Where am I supposed to, like... Cast over, though. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot! Without candles or magic to guide them home, the monsters use crystals to navigate. Oh, the heck. Okay. Okay. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Wait, no, I don't want to leave yet. I've got better to do. Exactly. Oh, shoot. But yeah, I want to, like, fully explore this area. Because the waterfall is my favorite area of all of Undertale. Ah, shoot. My thing's at low battery. Whatever. Well, let's get out of here. How do we get out? Alright, so I was like low-key kind of stressful. It's so dark in here, bro. Like, behind you. I knew it. Seven human souls. With the power of 7 human souls, our king, King Asgore Dreamer, will become a god. With that power, Asgore can finally shatter the barrier. He will finally take the surface back from humanity and give them back the suffering and pain that we have endured. Understand, human? This is your only chance at redemption. Give up your soul, or I'll tear it from your body.
And then I hope you fight. Yo! You did it. Outside is right in front of you. You got front row seats to her fight. Wait. Who is she fighting? Hey! You aren't going to tell my parents about this, are you?
You aren't gonna tell my parents about this, alright? Alright, bro. Alright. Oh, because it copies. Okay, interesting. I have to get out of here. Oh. You hear a passing conversation. If I say my wish, you promise you won't laugh at me? Yeah. You hear a passing conversation. Of course I won't laugh. Wait. They said this earlier. You hear a passing conversation. Someday, I'd like to climb this mountain we're all buried under. Standing under the sky, looking at the world all around. That's my wish. You hear laughter. Hey, you said you wouldn't laugh at it. You hear a passing conversation. Sorry, it's just funny. That's my wish too. However, there is a prophecy. The angel, the one who has seen the surface, they will return, and the underground will go empty. So there's two different meanings by that. Either one, they all escape. Or two, I kill them all. And yeah, I'm the angel, because I'm just like that, you know. Yeah, I'm just fixing my desktop. Okay. Hang on, I'm like thirsty. God damn. Oh shoot. I tried capping it and it went flying off. Okay, let's go. Pillar. Rock.
Yo. Yo, I know I'm not supposed to be here, but I want to ask you something. Man, I never had to ask anyone this before. Yeah, you're human, right? Man, I knew it! Well, I know it now, I mean. Undyne told me, stay away from that human. So, like, I guess that makes us enemies or something. But I kind of stink at that. Yo, say something mean so I can hate you. Please? Nah. Yo, what? So I have to do it? Here goes nothing. Yo, I hate your guts. Man, I'm such a turd. I'm gonna go home now. Yo, oh, wait, help, I trapped it. No. Yo, dude, if you want to hurt my friend, you're gonna have to get through me first.
Damn scared of a miner. Look at me aura farming, bro.
Alhamdulillah. She's gone. Yo, you really saved my skin. Guess being enemies was just a nice thought. We'll just have to be friends instead. Man, I should really go home. I bet my parents are worried sick about me. Bye, little dude. Later, dude.
I miss that guy. Like, even though he was obnoxious and probably autistic, he was really cool. Pillar. But yeah, he was just a really cool guy. Pillar. There we go. Pillar. Oh, look, I can trip here. Oh, I get it. This is like the darkest. Oh, okay. There's nothing here. Alright, bro. 7. 7 human souls. And King Asgore will become a god. Do y'all know what that is in the background? Yeah. I didn't think so. 6. That's how many we have collected thus far. Understand? So, your 7th through your 7th and final soul, this world will be transformed. First, however, as is customary for those who make it this far, I shall tell you the tragic tale of our people. It all started long ago. No. You know what? Screw it! Why should I tell you that story when you're actually about to die? Yeah!
Ooh, you're standing in the way of everyone's hopes and dreams. Alpha's history books made me think humans were compassionate, but you're just a remorse criminal. You wandered through the caverns, attacking anyone in your path. Self-defense? Please. You didn't kill them because you had to. You killed them because it was easy for you. Because it was fun for you. Don't you think it was fun when I found out Doggo, who always made me laugh, was dead because of the whims of a single human? No. But your time's up, villain. You won't hurt anyone else. A knight in shiny armor has appeared, and all the pain you inflicted on the fallen, every hope, every dream you turned to dust, she's gonna send right back through her spear. Nah! I'll show you how determined monsters truly are. Come on, step forward. Let's end this.
The wind is howling. You're filled with determination. Should we do it or wait for next episode? You know what? You're right. Screw it.
That's it, then. No more running away. Here I come.
Oh, shoot.
On guard. Da, 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 da. Yes! Yes! Spare! As long as you're green, you can't escape. Unless you learn to face danger head on. You won't last a second against me. I got you. See, this is what all the Undertale simulators were for. Not bad. Then how about this? I Undyne Towers threateningly. For years, we've dreamed of a happy ending. Can I leave now? Undyne flips her spear impatiently. Spare. And now, sunlight is just within our reach. I'm sorry. Okay. I won't let you snatch it away from us. Holy yapper, bro. Imagine my controller dies on me. Undyne thinks of her friends and pounds the ground with her fist. Nah, enough warming up. That's a warm up. Alright, Undyne holds her fist in front of her and shakes her head. Flee! Run! Run! He won't get away from me this time. Honestly, I'm doing you a favor. Let's turn this down a bit. Smells like sushi? Nah, that's crazy. No human has ever made it past Asgore. Look. Undyne holds her fist in front of her and shakes her head. Spare, killing you is now an act of mercy. Please, I just want to go to bed, bro. It's so late, bro. Undyne points horridly towards the sky. So stop being so damn resilient. No, bro.
Oh shoot. Oh. Time to flee. Hey, can't catch me though. You escaped from me for the last time. That scared me so badly. It's fair. Athos told me humans were determined. We are. Whoa. I suck at those. Undyne draws her finger across her neck, so she's doing eh. Yeah, you're gonna die. I see now what she meant by that. Yeah, see? Undyne draws her finger across. Okay. But I'm determined too. How determined? Ooh. Smells like sushi. Okay. Determined to end this right now. Shoot. Okay. It's fine. Right now. Bisco. Okay. You want to have a bisco. Right now. Oh, I suck. Swear. Ha. Ha. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Okay. Nah! Die already, you little brat! Oh, I'm gonna die. You eat the USO. I will never take mercy from the likes of you. Oh shoot. Undertale Simulator? Undertale Simulator? Okay. Undertale. Undyne's eyes dart around to see if this is a prank. Flee, my man. Okay, guys. That was so annoying. So I checked the recording after I finished running from Undyne, which is like only like 1 or 2 more times. I checked the recording and it says I'm out of storage, bro. I forgot to clean up my storage. I just did that, so hopefully that won't happen again. Sorry about that, guys. If you're curious about what happened, basically Undyne was chasing me. Or first here, wait, we could go back. I'm not fixing the camera at the moment because I like the camera angle. So let's see, like we were here, right? I continue running. Right, I see Sans. I go over here and I see she just stops. I look over and then she's like facing the camera with like a smile. Or like a, not with a smile, like I think it's an angry face because Sans was sleeping there. And so then I continued running. She continued chasing me. I got here. This guy wasn't here yet. And she like slowly walked up. And then she said, armor so hot. And then she fell down. And then I got a cup of water. And then I just like poured it on her head. She stood up, looked this way, looked this way, looked this way, looked that way, looked back at me, and then walked away. Oh, the cup of water was erased by a mysterious force. Wow. And then I went over here, and I came back, and I was like, oh, okay. She's gone. It's a water cooler. Take a cup. Yeah. After I disappeared, Sans also disappeared. So. Okay. Are you just carrying that just to look sympathetic? So it's not working. Oh, yeah, this guy also said he wanted water. Alright, bad. Oh. The water evaporated from the heat. The cup evaporated, too. Oh, wow. Alright. Okay. Seeing such a strange laboratory in a place like this, you're filled with determination. Alright, guys. That was episode 5. Let's go. I just finished running from Undyne. And she's still alive. We heard from Papyrus. We saw Napsa book again. That was pretty peak. We saw Temmie. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Love y'all. See y'all later. Goodbye.